This is going to be a tutorial on how to set up the Strat on Thinkorswim. So we have our setup here. So what you're going to do is we have a blank thing going on here, and we're going to add studies. Whoops, come on now. Oh my goodness, this thing. So we go to all studies. I'm sorry, y'all. We just gonna go to edit study because I'm not about to do all that searching. I'm not. So what we are going to first add is the Strat numbered bars. So you can search for the Strat, and the Strat numbered bars will show up. Double click that, and then you do want this full time frame continuity intraday on your screen as well. And that did not show up. There we go. Okay, and so that's going to give us our numbered bars and our full time frame continuity. What you're also going to need is the 50% rule. So for that, you can just type SSS 50 rule, and you're going to want to add this. If I'm not mistaken, you have to add it for each one, right? Oh, y'all, this isn't the right one. Hold on. Oh no, this is the wrong one. Let me see. It's called Strat 50%. Yes, you guys just search Strat and you'll see that right here. But the Strat 50%. And so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to add this for each time frame you want to watch. Okay, so me in particular, I watch the day, the week, the month, and the quarter. I don't need to put the quarter up there though. I'm just going to do those. So what you're going to need to do is change these. The month, you know, I like my months to be purple. Then change this to the week. You know, I like my weeks to be yellow. And then you have the day, and I like my days to be white. I should do red, yellow, and green. I do that with my moving averages. So once these are added, you have your Strat for Thinkorswim. So let's okay it. And there you go. Now you have your numbers here. This gives you the number of each one. Up here to your left, you have your time frame continuity. And this also gives you 50% levels on, since we're on the day, this is the day, the week, the month. Okay, and then this line here also is your 50% level. All right, so see how the 131.19 coincides, this 131.19 right here coincides with this white line. So you see what the 50% is on a day. So if this breaks above, that's the 50% of this candle. Well, that's, you know, this is the 2 down, 2 up on the day. But yeah, you understand what I mean in terms of how this is showing you. You got an inside week right there, and then you have a hammer on the day as your actionable signal. Right there. Well, it's not a hammer, but it would be a bullish Randy Jackson. So you got your 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 down correction, triangle day out, triangle day out, triangle day out. All right, I'm not supposed to be giving those type of lessons. So anyway, you have your Strat for Thinkorswim with your 50% rule. Now let me add a couple more things that can help you on Thinkorswim. So I also wanted to add this ATR versus DTR, and you can search these. This right here, come on. Oh, it's gonna make me search it. ATR versus DTR. And the reason you want this, well, I'll show you that in a second. And then parabolic SAR. And this was brought to our attention by Jermaine Cyberdog. the TTM squeeze, which Ray told us about. These are just additions, and I'll talk a little bit about them in a little bit. If you have not seen my Mobo Bands video, that is another thing that you can add. Did it add it? I don't think it added it. Why didn't it? It's not adding. Oh, because I'm over here, y'all. Why I keep doing this? And actually, I don't think that's the right one. It may be the basic one that I like. And then I believe that's it. I mean, that's enough. Oh, volume average, because we always want to know if it has gas, so you want some type of volume on your chart. So volume average can be your volume. Okay, so let's okay this, and yes, this is giving me the Mobo bands that I want. So before I adjust this, I want to point out a few things. Okay, first, let me edit the SAR, because once Jermaine introduced it in yellow, I need to see it in yellow. So we have our SAR. The SAR basically is the parabolic. Actually, I don't know what the SAR stands for. I'll add the text in a second. But when the price is above this line, it's basically a buy signal, and below is a sell signal, and this can be used as stops. So you can also see when price starts coming towards it and it gets tight, that it's usually going to be a move in a strong move in one direction or the other. It also can give you signals when it's reversing. So like here, it was a buy signal here, and then once it switched here, if you shorted here, you could have rolled that all the way down until it switched back. Okay, and then the TTM squeeze, that is something that Ray and again Cyberdog did a whole video about, that you can go watch. I've also done a video about the Mobo bands that Fidel told us about, and how you can use it with contracts, but you can also use it with stocks as well on your charts. And then there's the volume. Okay, so these are different tools that you can add that can aid you to trading the strat, along with the basics that I just showed you. I hope that helps. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.